We are live at this Amaokpala Anambra State.
Here's to the future, bright and
We
clear.
are here to install the solar system in this plot. You let the solar to pay the bills. So let us take
Here's to
the
the future,
inside of
bright
the
and
house.
clear. Trending in tech, our time is here. With every innovation, we rise and shine in the world of tech. We're one of a million with the tech. We're leading the way with every click and every light. We light up the day.
So these are our installation materials.
In the world of tech, our stories. Leading with the tech. We're leading the way with every click and every light. We light up the day. From gold to cloud, we're breaking the mold. In the world of tech, our stories.
We are connecting the panels. We're going to join all of them in parallel. So we've connected all the 11 panels, all in parallel. These are our panels. Okay, so we've connected our inverter. So we've connected the lights. As you can see, the fan is on, everything is on. Test the TV. So our TV is on, even this fan. Can carry everything. Go to the. So this is for solar, this is for generator, this is for NEPA. On the AC. So as you can see, the AC is also on. Let's test on the blender.